Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 17a from chapter circles. So starting with question number 27, two circles intersect at P and Q. Through P, a straight line APB is drawn to meet the circles in A and B. Through Q, a straight line is drawn to meet the circles at C and D. Prove that AC is parallel to BD. APB is straight, ये बोला गया है. Through Q, a straight line is passing, meeting the circles at C and D. So these two are straight lines that is given to us. Okay, and rest of the information we need to extract from the diagram. Now we have to prove AC parallel to BD. So for that we need to construct, okay, join AC and BD. So let us join AC and BD. ओके ये दोनों को पैरेलल प्रूव करना है, बहुत इजी है. ओके, फॉर दिस वी डोंट नीड टू जस्ट जॉइन ए सी एंड बी डी, लेट अस जॉइन पी क्यू एज वेल. ओके, नाउ लेट अस राइट डाउन गिवन एंड टू प्रूफ एंड देन वील स्टार्ट विद द सॉल्यूशन. सो गिवन ए पी बी and CQD are straight lines. It is given through Q a straight line is drawn, so it means that CQD is a straight line. Now nothing else is given to us. This is the only information given to us. Okay, and also that two circles are intersecting at point P and Q. So okay, these are the two things given to us. Now we need to construct. So to prove लिख लेते हैं, we have to prove AC parallel to BD. okay, construction में join AC, BD and PQ. Now, how will we prove AC parallel to BD? Now, over here, there must be multiple methods, but I'll be using one method, that is cyclic quadrilateral. Over here, there are two circles and दोनों circles में cyclic quadrilaterals है, जहाँ पे P and Q is common. Okay, P and Q is present in this circle also, black वाला circle, and it is present in red circle as well. So APQC is a cyclic quadrilateral because all the vertices are lying on the circumference of the circle. Same thing in another circle, red wala circle, PBDQ. It is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now cyclic quadrilateral का properties हम लोग यहाँ पे use करेंगे. We have to prove AC parallel to BD. AC parallel to BD prove करने के लिए what we'll do over here is we'll consider this as transversal. APB is a straight line, we are given that. Okay, so this is the transversal, we have to prove these two parallel. Now यहाँ पे क्या form हो रहा है? C form हो रहा है. So interior angles से हम लोग prove कर सकते हैं. Angles lying on the same side, interior angles lying on the same side, if their sum is 180 degrees, then it means that the two lines are parallel. So if I prove this angle and this angle, दोनों का sum is 180 degrees, then I can say that AC is parallel to BD. So मुझे ये angle plus ये angle is equal to 180 degrees ये प्रूव करना है. Now how will I prove that? बहुत easy है, cyclic quadrilateral का property यूज़ करते हैं यहाँ पे. ये cyclic quadrilateral है. ओके, APQC, let us consider this left wala circle. APQC is a cyclic quadrilateral. I'll draw this. Okay, I know CQD is a straight line. साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलैटरल का ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल हो गया. आई नो एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ द साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलैटरल इज इक्वल टू इट्स इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट एंगल. एक्सटीरियर का नेबरिंग एंगल एंड नेबरिंग का ऑपोजिट एंगल, दैट इज इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट एंगल. इजी वे टू रिमेंबर. So exterior angle is equal to its interior opposite angle. So this angle is equal to this angle. PQD is equal to PAC. So PAC is equal to PQD. ये वाला angle. Okay. Now we'll shift to the other quadrilateral, that is other circle. PBDQ. PBDQ is also a cyclic quadrilateral. सारे vertices are on the circumference of the circle. Now cyclic quadrilateral का दूसरा property क्या है? Sum of opposite angles is equal to 180 degrees. So PBD plus PQD is equal to 180 degrees. PBD तो ठीक है, PQD क्या है? PQD is equal to PAC. So PQD की जगह पे I can substitute PAC. PBD plus PAC. Now carefully notice PAC, PBD. ये दोनों क्या हो गए? Interior angles. These angles are lying on the same side. Okay, and they are forming interior angles. Their sum is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, AC is parallel to BD. बहुत easy है, सिर्फ दो properties use करना है. एक है exterior angle and दूसरा है cyclic quadrilateral का opposite angles are supplementary. So it's very very easy. Alright, now let us start with the solution. Starting with solution now, we'll consider this left quadrilateral first with this exterior angle. Okay. सो उसके पहले मुझे प्रूव करना पड़ेगा ये साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलैटरल है, मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन में तो दिया नहीं है. नाउ वील राइट डाउन दैट ऑल दीज वर्टाइसेस आर लाइंग ऑन द सर्कमफरेंस ऑफ द सर्कल. सो ए पॉइंट्स ए, पी, क्यू एंड सी आर लाइंग ऑन circumference of the circle. Okay, so therefore APQC is a cyclic quadrilateral. So therefore APQC is a full word. Okay, now ये cyclic है with CQD as exterior angle. Angle CQD is exterior angle of quadrilateral APQC of cyclic quadrilateral APQC. So cyclic quadrilateral में exterior angle का क्या property है? Exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. So therefore angle PQD is equal to angle PAC. Okay, so लिखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral is equal to its interior opposite angle. very very important reasons लिखना पड़ता है. now ये quadrilateral हो गया. नाउ शिफ्टिंग टू दी अदर क्वाड्रिलैटरल PBDQ. सेम थिंग हम लोग को लिखना पड़ेगा. PBD and Q are lying on the circumference of the circle. So I am writing over here only. Okay, P, B, D and Q. Okay, so therefore PBDQ is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now we have this as cyclic quadrilateral. दूसरा प्रॉपर्टी क्या है cyclic quadrilateral का? opposite angles का sum is 180 degrees, that is their supplementary. So angle PBD plus angle PQD. Reason opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Okay. Now PQD is nothing but PAC. Okay. So PAC substitute कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. PAC and PBD. Okay. PAC की जगह पे I can write BAC and PBD की जगह पे ABD. Now I'll just write down PAC is equal to BAC. So angle BAC is equal to angle PAC and angle PBD, okay, is equal to ABD. So angle ABD is equal to angle PBD. A dash P dash B, because P is coming in between AB. I'm given APB is a straight line. Okay. So PAC की जगह पे BAC सब्सटीट्यूट कर सकते हैं and PBD की जगह पे ABD. So therefore PBD की जगह पे ABD सब्सटीट्यूट करते हैं and PAC की जगह पे BAC. BAC and ABD दोनों का sum is 180 degrees. So I'll write down now that these two are the angles lying on the same side. Okay, so angle ABD and angle BAC are interior angles lying on same side. Therefore, since they are forming interior angles, therefore I can say AC is parallel to BD with AB as transversal. AC is parallel to BD with AB. Okay. Therefore AC parallel to BD. We proved it. Okay. So बहुत easy है, सिर्फ दो properties याद रखना है, then you can easily solve this question. Let's read the next question. Question number 28. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which AB and DC on being produced meet at P such that PA is equal to PD. Prove that AD is parallel to BC. You're not given the diagram over here. You have to draw the diagram. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So cyclic quadrilateral के लिए you will consider a circle. Okay. So ABCD. So all the four vertices are lying on the circumference of the circle. But an important condition over here is given, in which AB and DC, ABCD quadrilateral है, AB and DC on being produced, that is you are extending it. Okay, produce मतलब you are extending it. Meet at P, AB and DC. So you have to draw it in such a way that they will intersect. Okay, they meet at P such that PA is equal to PD. PA is equal to PD. Prove that AD is parallel to BC. AD and BC parallel है, ये prove करना है. Okay. So for that we need to draw the diagram properly. Okay. So let us draw a proper diagram for that. Now over here I'll give you an easy way to draw. पहले roughly draw कर लो, कैसे draw करना है वो figure out करो. AB and DC should meet at point P. So क्या करना है, दोनों को incline draw करना है. Okay, such that they are meeting. So for that what you will do, we know they are meeting at point P. So draw a circle, draw a point outside it, and then just draw two straight lines. Okay. Now ये हो गया, इट इज़ मीटिंग द सर्कल एट 2 पॉइंट्स, एक ए हो जाएगा दूसरा बी हो जाएगा, एंड यहाँ से जो लाइन जा रहा है दैट इज ऑल्सो मीटिंग द सर्कल एट 2 पॉइंट्स, सो एक सी हो जाएगा एक डी हो जाएगा. सो ए बी सी डी इज अ साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलैटरल. ओके, नाउ गिवन एंड टू प्रूव लिखते हैं पहले. सो गिवन quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral full word in which AB and DC on being produced meet at P. So AB and DC meet at point P such that PA is equal to PD. Okay, prove that AD is parallel to BC. To prove AD parallel to BC, now over here we don't need to do any construction. Okay, but over here it's very easy. PAPD ये दिया हुआ है. Why is this given to us? So that we consider this triangle. Okay, triangle PDA. ये दो sides equal है, मतलब it is forming an isosceles triangle. So by isosceles triangle theorem, angles opposite to these congruent sides are congruent. ये दोनों congruent मिल गया, मतलब these two angles are congruent. Okay, so we have to prove AD parallel to BC. Now पैरेलल के लिए सिर्फ तीन ही कंडीशंस हैं, आइदर इंटीरियर एंगल्स और करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स और ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स. यहाँ पे Z तो कोई फॉर्म नहीं हो रहा है, यहाँ पे बीच में से ट्रांसवर्सल ऐसे नहीं जा रहा है. ओके, सो ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स नहीं होगा. दूसरा है करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. फॉर करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स लुक फॉर F, कोई भी फॉर्म में F रहेगा. ओके, इन एनी फॉर्म. एंड थर्ड होता है इंटीरियर एंगल्स. ओके, तो उसके लिए C देखते हैं हम लोग. सम ऑफ द एंगल्स शुड बी 180 डिग्रीज. नाउ यहाँ पे करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स दिख रहे हैं हम लोग को. ये F फॉर्म कर रहा है, यहाँ से ऐसे जा रहा है ट्रांसवर्सल. सो दिस इज फॉर्मिंग F. So if I prove that this angle is equal to this angle, then I can say AD and BC are parallel to each other. Now, how can I prove that? I already got this. ठीक है, इसीलिए मैंने triangle का property use किया. This information is useful to prove these two angles equal. Now, why I need these two angles equal? Now, this is a cyclic quadrilateral that is also given to me. So एक है PA equal to PD and दूसरा information है this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now ये cyclic quadrilateral है and I know these two angles are equal. I want to prove these two angles equal. Now this is an exterior angle. CBP is exterior angle. Exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral is equal to its interior opposite angle. Exterior angle is equal to its interior opposite angle. मतलब this angle is equal to this angle, but this angle is also equal to this angle. ये जो angle मिला है it is equal to this angle. Exterior angle is equal to its interior opposite angle. Neighboring वाला angle उसका opposite angle. ये दो इक्वल है बट दिस इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू दिस, मतलब दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स हो गया. देयरफॉर आई कैन से AD इज पैरेलल टू BC. बहुत ईजी है. ओके, फर्स्ट वील कंसिडर दिस ट्राइंगल आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल थ्योरम से यू कैन से दीज टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल. देन साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलैटरल का प्रॉपर्टी एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल टू इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट एंगल. ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द सोल्यूशन. First we'll consider this triangle PDA. Okay, so in triangle PDA we know PA is equal to PD, that is given to us, PA. Okay, so therefore triangle PDA is an isosceles triangle. Full word. Okay, so therefore इसका base angles equal होगा, angles opposite to the congruent sides are congruent. So PA का opposite angle कौन सा हो जाएगा? PDA. Angle PDA and PD का opposite angle this angle. Okay, so PAD. Okay, these two angles are equal. Now ये हो गया triangle का part. Now let us proceed to the quadrilateral part. We know ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So let us write down. Full word. Okay. Now this is a cyclic quadrilateral and we want to use exterior angle property. Not necessary यही exterior angle consider करना है, ये भी consider कर सकते हो. You can prove this angle equal to this angle, does not matter. Okay, this angle is equal to its interior opposite angle, तो you know this angle is equal to this angle and therefore this angle is also equal to this angle. So you can use whichever way you want to. I am considering this angle. Angle CBP is exterior angle. Angle CBP okay, so therefore angle CBP, this angle is equal to its interior opposite angle, that is angle ADC. Okay, so reason, exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral is equal to its interior opposite angle. Okay, so we got this angle equal to this angle, but this angle is already equal to this angle. Now this angle is equal to this angle. Now ADC is nothing but ADP. Okay, ADP और PDA same है. Okay, so angle CBP is equal to angle ADP, I can say. Okay, ADP is nothing but PDA. Okay, जो हम लोग को यहाँ पे मिला था. So you can write down PDA also. Now ADC की जगह पे ADP मैं लिख रही हूँ. So I have to give reason. DC को मैंने P तक क्यों extend किया? D dash C dash P. Okay. So therefore angle CBP is equal to angle PDA. ADP is nothing but PDA. Okay, PDA but is already equal to PAD. So therefore angle PAD is equal to angle CBP. Okay, all right. So I have this P. CBP is equal to PAD. Now these two angles are equal. With this as transversal, AP is the transversal. So these two are forming corresponding angles. Angle PAD and angle CBP are forming okay. So therefore AD is parallel to BC with AP as transversal. Okay, सो देयरफॉर फाइनल स्टेटमेंट लिख देना दैट AD इज पैरेलल टू BC, सो हेंस प्रूव्ड.